Africa's wildlife is under threat. Poaching, habitat loss, and limited resources makes protection a daily challenge. Traditional conservation efforts can only go so far. Long patrols across massive reserves, limited visibility, and slow response times make effective protection difficult. Introducing the ALTI Transition, an advanced fixed-wing VTOL UAV solution built for conservation. Cover more ground in less time, gain real-time situational awareness, and respond faster, day or night. Track endangered species in real time without disturbing their natural behavior. With a low noise profile and live tracking capabilities, the ALTI Transition gives you a silent, watchful eye from above. Using advanced thermal imaging, the ALTI Transition helps rangers detect threats early and respond before it's too late. Monitor wildlife, vehicles, fences, or water points in real time from anywhere in your reserve. With live video and telemetry, the ALTI Transition gives you eyes in the sky where it matters most. With up to 3 hours of flight time per mission, the ALTI Transition covers more ground for a fraction of the cost of manned aircraft. All electric, fewer crew, and minimal infrastructure, making it the smart choice for long-term conservation budgets. Join the new era of conservation. Protect more, cover more, and do more with ALTI.